Well, we have with us today Alpesh Patel from Profinium Partners, who, I would imagine, has a strong opinion on this one.
I do indeed.
Do tell.
Well, I hope they don't forget the smaller financial services companies in the UK, like mine, who don't have hundreds of millions of assets under management or billions, but we do employ people, we do run a business, we do hope to become like the massive multinational. I hope they don't forget the smaller ones. Some really surprising statistics on this. When I was looking this up, and I didn't know this, the UK's financial services industry, the average worker contributes one and a half times more to the UK economy in terms of taxes than the average worker in other industries. Not only that, the financial services industry in the UK is 10% of the UK economy and the UK's largest exporter and the UK's largest tax generator.
We know it's an incredibly important part of the UK economy for sure, and it, as you say, generates an awful lot.
We subsidise the rest of the country.
Well, you could argue that. I would imagine many watching us in manufacturing and elsewhere would say, hang on a minute, remember
statistically,
us.
we really do.
Despite all of that, how, you know, sure are you that the likes of Philip Hammond and David Davis today in Germany will get us some sort of good deal, trade deal or special arrangement for financial services?
I've actually been out with Philip Hammond. I was out in India hosting him for a fintech conference, and he's very good and he's very passionate, he's very determined, flying the flag for the UK.
As he is. The German press is saying there'll be no special deals for UK financial sector.
I'll tell you what the problem I have with the German press, I mean, it's not really the press I'm that concerned with because they're not the ones doing the negotiations. What I have is the EU looks increasingly like a closed shop. Surely, if it's win-win, then why do they have to add extra tariffs and fees if we're doing so much good business for Europe and vice versa on financial services, forget the little bits of other areas, then why is it being so protectionist? It's supposed to be a free market, an open market, a transparent market. Why are they being so protectionist to us, given that right now, as things stand today, we're trading freely with them, so why are they trying to punish us?
All right, that's a question that I will ask our guest in Business Briefing. We've got another person to talk about this story, but for now, thank you very much. Alpesh is going back. I don't think he needs stronger coffee. As you can see, he's firing on all cylinders already. He'll be back for the news briefing.